In this video, we're going to talk about the Frogg Toggs rain gear, breathable, waterproof, all-weather gear. This is AgX Presents. I'm Damon with Garden Product Reviews. Last video we talked about Boggs, Urban Men's Walker, Boggs, and then Frogg Toggs are this video. And Frogg Toggs are pretty great. This is my third season on them. I've put them through the wash a couple times. They come out fine. Don't dry them, or like hang dry them. Don't dry them. And this is, I use a size small, which I'm 5'10", 150 pounds. These work perfectly for me. They do have the drawstring for the waist. Because I would have, this is a small, I would have thought like maybe a medium. And apparently there's some large and extra large people out there, but men's small is what fits me perfectly. If I don't let them ride down, the butt doesn't split out. I had a friend that split the butt on them pretty quick. Because they're not super heavy duty, they are sort of a fabric-y material, breathable. I don't know if you can see the detail there, HD quality, but they have cuffs. These are the bottoms of the legs. The cuffs can be, they have a velcro, so they can be tightened, or for putting your rain boots on if you're doing full boots. If you're doing the urban walkers, I've never actually adjusted these. I think I adjusted them once, and that's what works. So the velcro for the closure of the legs, the waistline. It's just a convenient, because if you have gloves on or something, going to the bathroom or whatever, it's an easy adjustment of the push button slider there. That's pretty great. The coat is emblazoned with their logo, Not Your Garden Company, Frogg Toggs. This is a whole series on the Urban Gardener backpack setup equipment list and reviews of each product. This is also the small that came, it was a suit, came together. This is the coat and the pants. And again, I put them through the wash and they came out fine. It's got the hood. The hood has, it's snaps on and off, so if you, I don't know, want to take that off for some reason, I usually wear a ball cap underneath it, because that keeps, I don't know, rain from getting in my face, really. And the rain will shed to the side, and then the top of this hood rests on there nicely. It's also got the drawstrings in the hood to tighten it up around your face. Let's just put it on and show you how this whole thing comes together. The sleeves have elastic, keep the drips from going down your elbows. It's got this nice zipper. So this is my third season. I've worn this a dozen or more times. Nice zipper and snaps. Happy snaps. There are no pockets inside, which is kind of unfortunate. There's actually no pockets outside either, which I don't know. It keeps things from getting wet, but I put things in my pants pockets, and then with the pants I can reach underneath into my pants pockets, and then everything stays dry that way, like my phone and stuff. So not any storage in this, so you're not gonna forget anything. Which pocket did I put my phone in? So yeah, we're gonna show you how the hood works. This goes all the way up to there, which is nice if it's cold out. These cinch down. I like to wear a hat. This is a Hunter irrigation hat. Hunter irrigation, the irrigation innovators. We install a lot of irrigation over the last long time, so I get swag like that. And then so this is how I wear it. I cinch that down, and then this keeps rain out of my face. It sheds off of the ball cap. These can be cinched down. You could even tie them if it's like extra windy out. And there you have it, the Frogg Toggs rain suit and the Boggs shoes, weatherproof rain shoes, waterproof are what I recommend. And I don't know, I got black, it comes in different colors, but this seems to be the perfect thing. I keep it in I just put it in a shopping bag and put it in the large pocket of the Jansport pack. And then I'm ready for anything. I usually check the weather before I go, and it's 80% right, and sometimes I get caught in the rain. But when it is raining, I can still get a lot of work done when I'm wearing this suit. So definitely worth it. I will put the link to this product in the description of the video. And I'll see you in other product reviews. We're going through everything that an urban gardener could possibly need and more. And so if you're urban gardening, I'm in New York City and Brooklyn. If you're gardening anywhere else, most of these things are fully applicable. This is a complete toolkit for the urban gardener, and even if you're in a car gardening, this is a great tool bag to just know that everything's in one place, organized and ready to go. So I'm ready for anything. I hope you are too. We got more videos. Check them out. See you there.